This is Prizm 933.6. Let's do this thing. One box break, giving away the Pistons 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. Five times. Here we go. Good luck, y'all. Who did I say I'm looking for? Pistons. Taking them out is what I'm doing. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Cavs. 5 times. Cavs on top. Get rid of the random. Who has the Cavs in this one? Jimmy Yao, congrats. 8882 is for. What's that one? Oh, sweet, pristine. Hell yeah. Oh, that's actually not the next one I'm doing. Also, another pristine full. All right, here we go. After this, we got 2 pristine breaks. Here we go. Giacomo, Cole, Sengun, Ben Wallace, Silver, Victor Oladipo, Silver Fearless AD, Prismatic Joel Embiid. Cleanup breaks are just a few breaks that have been struggling over time to get full, so I've cut 25% off all the spots in them. Kuminga, Jared Butler, Silver Nawara, James Wiseman, Prismatic Silver, and oh, that's pretty nice. Penny Hardaway for the Orlando Magic. Jalen Johnson, Trey Murphy, Red Wave, Rob Lopez, Moses Brown Hyper, Fearless Damian Lillard. No, that's not a good ringer. No stress. Red Wave, Primo, Hyper, Rudygate, Luka Doncic, Fearless. Big couple of AFL games this weekend, especially for me. Isaiah Livers, Delano Benton, Silver Siakam, and David Johnson, the wrong Raptor, but still nice, numbered 25-75. Damian Lillard. There's a link. Ringer, would you mind? Ringer just posted the link for you, Mick. Santi Aldama, Silver Norman Powell, a purple Magic Johnson, numbered to 149. 75 years of James Boonite. Who are they playing? Thank you, Mr. Ringer. Keon Johnson. Red Wave Gary Trent, a red Reggie Jackson. Now to 299. Denver Booker Fireworks. Jerry. Jalen Green. Killian Hayes. Blue Cracked Ice Terrain Prince. Oh boy. 125. Luka Doncic Mindset. Oh no, it's building towards Richmond losing, isn't it? Richmond are going to lose. Simonovic. Oh no. David Johnson. Silver Wilt Chamberlain. Hyper Robin Lopez. Widescreen Giannis. Sharif Cooper. Cameron Thomas. Silver Neemias Quetta. Lauberger, thank you for following. Hyper Thaddeus Young. Prismatic Zach Levine. LeBron. Scotty Barnes. Red Julius Randle. Number 299. LeBron Fireworks. And finally, Ayo Sunmu. Ayo. Jason Preston. Hyper Mindset Luka Doncic. And the other auto is Harold Miner for the Heat. Zion, Smart, and Irving. And that is that for Prizm 9356. I think 2 autos and a mem.